Hello everyone. Today we're going to be going over how you can set up in-app actions. For example, how could we programmatically create a social listening search, or how could we programmatically create a profile monitoring search? And how could we take this a step further and trigger this from other platforms? So in today's video, you're going to learn how to configure a webhook node, how to create a social listening or a profile monitoring search, all through our workflow feature without you actually lifting a finger. So to do this, we first of all need to build an actual workflow. So I'm just going to create one here called example v2. And in this instance, I'm going to trigger a webhook anytime a record hits a certain category inside of a Attio workflow. So what this basically means in principle is anytime, for example, a lead hits a certain qualification status inside of a CRM or a certain email sent or whatever it is inside of your CRMs, you in theory could triggerify or trigger a Triggerify listening search or profile monitoring search. A good solid use case here is maybe you've just started to create an enterprise motion and you're speaking with a potential customer and they've gone into kind of discovery phase. That might trigger a workflow inside of Triggerify that then starts to monitor this individual. And any time that they then post, your team gets a Slack notification so that you can be all over them without them having to think or do anything inside or monitor them on their own socials. A great way of staying relevant and landing in their LinkedIn DMs and kind of surrounding the building, for example. The use cases are plentiful, but that's kind of just one quick one that comes to mind. So to do this, I won't spend too long inside of the Attio section here, but I'm just going to use kind of some pre-configured data points just because it's very simple to do for the purpose of today. So I've gone ahead and I've generated the URL. I've updated that inside of the system that I'm using, and I'm just going to hit next. The next thing that you need to do is you need to enter in a sample payload, or as a quick hack, what you can do is you can actually trigger the automation to run manually your end. And you'll notice here that it's actually sent the data through. So if I go back to Triggerify, there we go, like magic, it's already pre-mapped for me. So if I hit confirm, that's all set up now. Now what I want to do is anytime that automation runs, obviously you would do the logic around when you want that automation to run from Attio into Triggerify, for example. But when it does run, I want to go ahead and create a profile monitoring search. You also have the option to create a social listening search, but in this case, I'm running more of an ABM strategy, so I'm going to go ahead and create a profile monitoring search. I'm going to go use the LinkedIn as the account, and I'm going to go ahead and say, okay, hey, anytime the data comes in, I want to map it to this URL, and I want to set up a search. In this example, again, you could add / or you could say, okay, what was the data that we had here? We had name, ABM search. So what I've done there is that's the name. So if you go back to here, I think I had name as just the name of the individual. So this would be Max Mitchum ABM search, for example. You can select the time frame, past week, max number of results, and then also the check frequency. So these are all the configurations that you would set if you were going to head and setting this up via the listening feature there. Hit add to workflow. Now what I need to do is if I was to go ahead and go back to here and test, nothing would come through. And the reason for that is I've not gone ahead and published this. So the first thing that I need to do is you can say run test. You can generate a sample, just hit test flow. That will then run and be confirmed. Once that's then confirmed, I then can go ahead and actually set up the search itself and hit publish once completed. Okay, so now that was all done, I've hit publish, which means if I come back to here and hit trigger again, what we should see is once that gets sent through, there we go. I'm just going to go back to the Triggerify account. Don't worry about that one. That was the one I did earlier. This should then be running. There we go. We can see that data is now trickled in. And we should be going ahead and setting up a profile monitoring search as a result, which we have done. So if we hit that, we can see that it was successfully created. Now, if I come to my listening channel here, we can actually see here is the social listening search set up, and it's going ahead and running this, and obviously new results will start to appear here automatically. What obviously you then could do is then go build a workflow off the back of this to then start to feed through any data points that you would want from this particular profile that you're monitoring into wherever it would be, and build a whole load of sub automations off the back of that as well.